Hello guys, got a package from Victoria's Secret, so let's see what's inside. And I've got it on Pink Friday, so it was some promotion ban. So let's see what's inside. In this package, so because it's promotion, I've got reward 20% off that I can shop between 6 and 19 of September. And then I got Victoria's Secret bikini top. It was for 10 bucks or something like that, or 50. In size like this. It's nice. Here on top it has this tie, and here it has some tidying nest and it has kind of thick sponges inside, and here it has nice how you snap it, some snap. Hope it's good on me. Next I've got leggings here. Leggings, very simple black ones. Size large, actually X large, and these ones are looking like so. And they have a dog here. But I think they will be too big on me, and we'll have to return them. They might be see-through because they have this part fake mattresses, just cotton. Next I've got another leggings, which are here. No, actually those are shorts. So those shorts looking like this, really nice. They have pink logo right here, and those can be worn, for example, under dresses. So it's good deal to have such shorts, because sometimes you need some short dress and then you have to have shorts, and those were only 10 bucks, so I will keep those. And I've got this. These are leggings. Other ones I already read, and these ones are in size large. They have also this white band. Also they have pocket right here, and pink logo, which is dog. And they are so cute, because they have dog here. Oh, blinking dog, very cute. And here they have dog, which is really nice. And here too. And these ones will fit on the bottom. last thing from that order is, so this is a duffel. It's a grey printed duffel bag with strap, like so, and also it comes with pink bottle. And bottle is like this. It has this kind of snap that you can attach it to something, and it opens. This part opens. Oh yeah, it's like this. So I've got some panties, but that I will not unbox. Another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. Swimsuit. This I can show you. So this swimming suit is nice. It's one piece and it looks like this. So it's this kind. It's here tie, so you can regulate. And back is like this. It has like two straps, and here bottom visible. So it's really nice swimsuit, and it's large, and it has some pink logo here. It was on sale too for 20 bucks. And in this order I also got this, which is leggings. They are size large and they look like this. They have white logo, white band with logo, pink logo. And here we have a pink logo too. They are just from cotton. Yeah, from cotton. This I'm making size large. So I like such. Hope they fit me and they will be great for winter or fall. Not now, so now it's too hot. I've got something like this. I don't know what's that. Ah, I know. It's like a moisture foam. Coconut oil. And it was on sale. Moisturize your body. Yeah, smells with coconut. And it looks like this. And you can just moisturize your body. And then it's like lotion. Smells nice. Smells. Other one here. This one looks like this. It is from Pink Ultra Clean Foam Cleansing Body Mousse. So it's to shower. This is pink Sherpa blanket. It's big. This one I paid, but other one I got for free. So this one is really nice. Let's open it. But also I will show you in comparison. this one I paid and it's bigger, and I've got one for free here. This one is smaller. So this is the proof that the free stuff can make smaller and bigger. I mean, if you pay a little bigger. This is smaller. Oh, it's so fluffy. I really like this one. And the print of it, and on the other side it has this. So I like it. And it's big. I keep it folded from here. One is looking like this. This was for free. Yeah, and this one looks like this. So it is, one side is like this, another side is like this. Really soft. Very nice and soft. And this one I have many. Like here is black and here is white. And here is black. And here is this kind. Funny. Okay, and here it is pink. Look. Very nice. Cute for winter. I mean, good for winter or fall. Last thing here. Oh, 20 bucks reward card. Again, this stuff is on that last video, so it's the bag with the water. And bag has nice strap. With pink lock. So yeah, that's all what I bought. And thank you for watching, and give thumbs up and subscribe for more in future video. Thank you for watching. Bye.